Got something really rare right here. The Luxaire Acclimate. Finally found one. Got a little cover over the compressor, as all of these Acclimates had. This one is a 2008 model. It's a 3.5 ton. I don't think it's been running. No. A lot of cameras here, so I gotta rush, but yeah. I never thought I would find one. Insane. There's a performance right here running. Cope and scroll. Or at least I assume cope and scroll. Probably running in E mode right now. It's 51. Yeah, it's in E mode. 2009, 2.5 ton. Also, we've got a Tech 2000 right here. As if there weren't enough of these around here. There's too damn many. We've got a cope and reset. It is a 1998 3.5 ton. I don't think it's been. Might have been. It's a little warm.